Now, Speaker Martin Romualdez's spokesperson Ace Barbers dismissed rumors of a leadership shakeup, saying the Speaker has no plans to resign and retain strong support from House lawmakers. Here is the report.
Ace Barbers, former Surigao del Norte representative and now spokesperson for House Speaker Martin Romualdez, dismissed rumors of a leadership change in the House of Representatives. He said the Speaker has no plans to resign and stressed there is no reason for him to step down.
Walang plano mag-resign, walang planong pagtatanggal at wala ring plano na magkaroon ng palit ng liderato dito sa mababang kapulungan.
Barbers added that more than 90% of House lawmakers continue to support Romualdez's leadership.
There's no reason for the Speaker to resign or step down. The clamor is not among the members who gave their full trust and confidence in him. Majority of the members of Congress has again thrown their support to him, believing in his leadership. So yung gusto lang na magkaroon ng palitan, yung nasa labas. Sino ba yung nasa labas? Diba?
The former lawmaker also explained that his appointment as spokesperson has nothing to do with Romualdez being linked to other issues, including the alleged anomalies in flood control projects.
Walang kinalaman ito dito sa mainit na usapin ngayon tungkol sa flood control, no? O sa anumang usapin na mainit. It's just that the Speaker wanted to accommodate all queries coming from our media friends, no? In this case, kasi nga medyo mahigpit o hectic yung schedule ng ating Speaker.
Meanwhile, former NUP member and Cavite 4th District Representative Kiko Barzaga said Romualdez should also be investigated in connection with the matter. He argued that it is unlikely for the Speaker to have no involvement in such a large issue and urged Romualdez to attend the House inquiry.
I believe that if anyone should be investigated, the first person to be investigated is House Speaker Martin Romualdez, because he's now Speaker. I have some personal knowledge. I will not be elaborating that yet. I'd like Speaker Romualdez to also be involved in the DPWH hearings.
Barbers noted that the Speaker is open to meeting with Barzaga to clarify any concerns.
So if Congressman Barzaga would like to seek an audience with the Speaker at any given time, the Speaker would be available, to give him that time and discuss things or ask clarifications directly from the Speaker.
For News 5, I'm Marian Enriquez. We are One News.